That is my wife over there resting, and my son. So I'm gonna surprise her. Let's see how it goes. Hey baby, you're sleeping. I got surprise for you. Just open. Birthday boy.
What I'm really hoping it is. Okay. Oh my God, guys, look at the cover. Don't leave your comments.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay,
So much to me,
take me away.
I cannot cry on the camera, but this means so much to me. God bless my husband for me. Thank you so much. I love you.
Thank you so much. You are my wife, so you are my everything. That's why you deserve the best.
It's a real
iPhone 13.
I don't know what I'd do without
so
you.
much. Guys, you won't believe what my husband
Makes
did.
me smile.
He got me
that you do.
a fucking iPhone 13. I'm so happy. Baby, thank you so much. God bless you for me. I was saying I was thanking my hubby. God bless him for me, guys. iPhone 13 is a really big deal to me. I'm so humbled. And here it is. Guys, it's a real iPhone. I'm not even messing with you. You know, let me show you around us. I don't want to shout. I don't want to create attention. That is our lovely house. But we're gonna unbox it with you guys. Because I never knew he was gonna buy this iPhone. It's my pleasure to give it to him as I hold the camera. That is my outfit today. We even had one matching shoes. My shoes matches his. We didn't use them previously, but let's go ahead and open them all.
Cut off your
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what
Oh my
it is
God.
you do. I just want you,
Wow.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Wow.
I just wanna love you, just
Guys,
wanna
we are
hold
opening this
just
phone with
wanna
you.
be with
Like
you
right
till we grow
there with you. Look at the cover. It's as if he knows my color. Peach, pink. I love the cover so much. Wow. Wow, it's a blue iPhone 13, you guys. I'm not even messing with you. We started sleep. He doesn't even know what's going on. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow.
What's it like?
Wow. God bless you, my love. This means so much to me. Guys, the vlogs are about to take another turn. Just subscribe to the channel, please. We are currently at the Jumeirah Zabil Sia Sayad. Wow, look at that, you guys. Wow. This is the cable. We're gonna have to like buy the head, but I just thank God that my hubby just got me the phone and the cover. Oh, I'm so happy. God bless you for me, my love. Okay, love you. Mr. Rensley is there. My outfit is from the reverse. The top is from the Shane. Rensley looking hot. Wow, I'm so happy. I don't know how I can express it to you guys, but I'm super happy.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you were all he wants? And